Good day, everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to open Clipboard in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So here, do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And at the left hand side, you will find system, which is the second option. We need to click on that and then scroll down. So firstly, we need to check whether the clipboard is enabled or not. So I will click on clipboard, save multiple items to your clipboard, press Window and V. So this should be turned on. And once you're done, you click on back. So here in clipboard, what you can do is you can cut, copy, history, sync, and clear. So now when I'll press Window and V as in Victor in the keyboard, we will find exactly whatever we have typed. You can also pin it and you can also use emojis, right? With the help of this, you can do a lot of things. So basically this is for the clipboard, which is there, and you can paste it. You can create pre-typed things, and you just need to press Window and V and it will open up for you like this. Very quick. All right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.